So here in this section, I assume that you know how to create a Facebook ID. Alright, I'm just going to tell you how you can create a Facebook page. So this is the new interface of Facebook. Okay, this is the home section and this is the pages section in which you have to go. So once you open your profile, go to the pages section. Okay, once you go inside this pages section, just see the left side of the window. You will see a create new page option. So click here. Alright, so here you can see in a very beautiful format, Facebook has shown you how your future page will look like. Okay, these are some important features of a Facebook page that I'll talk about later. So here, for example, you want to create a Facebook page for your stationery business. Okay, so I will just write here about your stationery. Let's write perfect stationery. Okay, for example, this is the name of your page. Now let us go to the category and see what Facebook has in mind. Okay, so once you start typing about your category, you can play with this section, right? For example, you can write stationery. Let's see. Okay, so Facebook will give you a couple of options, that is local service, shopping and retail, sports and recreation, real estate, legal, restaurant, or you can go with something like business. Okay, but this does not apply to you. So let's go with stationery and let Facebook tell us what kind of a business are we showing here. So now the most apt section, the most apt category is shopping and retail. So we'll click here and we'll write a little description of our business, such as the best stationery in the best prices. Okay, this is a very simple description, but I advise you to write a little bit more about your descriptions. Okay, so that Facebook is able to understand and recommend your pages to a lot of customers. Alright, so here the best part is you can add up to 3 categories. Facebook will then organize your page in the proper category and then show it to your relevant customers or Facebook page and users. So for example, if you want to go into a different category, maybe for example you go into education. Okay, so stationery is related to education as well, so you can choose here stationery. Okay, and once you create the page, just click here and create a page. Another section is images. In images, you can put up 2 images. One is the profile photo that will show up here, and one is the cover photo that will show up here. Cover photo is more of a landscape kind of a thing, and this is more kind of a logo. Okay, so here for example, you can put up your logo, and here you can put up images of your product, of your shop. You can put in a very impressive image of some of your clusters of products or your shop if you want to showcase your shop, and here you can put up your logo. Alright, so let us create a simple logo and put it over here. In this process, I would like to use the Canva software. Okay, it is one of the most beneficial softwares that you can use to create social media content. Okay, you can create logos, you can create presentations, you can create updates, you can create everything. Okay, so here I would just create a simple design. For example, I want to create a cover pic. Okay, cover. Okay, Facebook cover. So automatically it will show here Facebook cover, and I will create a Facebook cover for my stationery business. Okay, I'm not going to go into a lot of designing things because right now I'm going to show you features of your Facebook page. I'm not going to get into the designing part, but still I can go and search for some templates here in Canva. For example, I write here stationery, and if I don't have something good, I would just go, I don't, Canva is not able to give a lot of suggestions here, so I would just go put in a nice color over here. For example, I'll put in this yellow color and I will just write a nice text. Let's see what we have here. I like this font particularly well, so I would write here perfect stationery, one stop, reasonably priced. Okay, so here I'm done with my cover image. If you want, you can put in a nice element here. Okay, for example, I want to put in a pen, so I would just put in a pen right here. Okay, just put in a pen right here, perfect stationery, and I am done. And I am going to use this pen as my logo as well. Okay, so I would just name this file perfect stationery cover and I would download it. Okay, download this one. So this is my cover image. It is in the downloads folder. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add this cover photo in my Facebook page. So let me go into downloads. This is perfect stationery and see how perfectly this image will fit in my cover image. Okay. As I said, you can use your imagination for your cover image. You can put in your products. Here I've chosen to make a simple cover. You can make a better cover than it. And I'm going to save it. Let's see what happens.
So here is your Facebook page, and in the upcoming videos I will be teaching you how you can promote your Facebook page organically. So stay tuned and make sure before you start the classes you have your own Facebook page to promote. So if you have, then all right, and if you don't have, then please make one so that we can start with our classes. Thank you so much.